Hi guys, my name's Bill. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the right rear burner or the small 6-inch element on a glass top Frigidaire stove. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over how the burner is wired, how the switch is wired, how they work, and then I'll go into how to troubleshoot them. Alright, so taking a closer look at the burner here, we have two blue wires, and these are what feed the power to the element here. Now what this little glass probe does here is when you have the burner set on high, this will limit the maximum temperature that the burner can get before it causes any kind of damage to the glass or gets too hot. So when this reads a temperature that's too high, it'll break the contact between this blue wire right here and the element, so the element will shut off. Now what these two wires do is this is 120 volts coming in, and when this reaches a temperature that where you can't touch the glass, it'll close the contacts and send power to the hot surface indicator light. Now this is the back of the switch for the right rear burner, and right here we have a red and a black wire. This is what powers the switch, and we have these two blue wires that go to the burner to tell it when to cycle on and off. And above this burner switch we have a hot surface indicator, and here's the black wire that comes off the other side of the temperature probe there, and this white wire is the neutral, so when you send 120 volts up to the light with the neutral, the light will come on. What this purple wire does, as soon as you turn the burner on, it lights up the element on indicator up here above the burner. And that's what the wires does. Now how this thing works is when you have this set on a low temperature, it only takes a little bit of current to kick the bimetal off inside, and as you turn this up to a higher setting, there's more pressure on that contact, so it takes a lot more current and a lot more heat for it to break the contact. And when you set it to high, it forces it closed, and the temperature probe limits the maximum temperature. Okay, so to test this burner and switch, if you have a burner that's not working, pretty simple. We can use the process of elimination. We'll set our meter to ohms, and we'll connect on one of the wires that goes to the burner, and then we'll remove the other one from the switch, and we'll attach onto that. And you should get a resistance reading of about 45 ohms. That means the contact on the high temperature probe is closed and the burner windings are good. Now if you get a reading like this, when you have this contact touching here, then either the high temperature probe switch is bad or the windings are bad on the element and it would need replaced. But if you get a good reading like this, of about 45 ohms or so, and the burner's not lighting up, then the switch is bad and would need replaced. Okay guys, so there's a real simple tutorial on how to troubleshoot the 6-inch burner on your Frigidaire or Kenmore Glass Top Stove. Now, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that now. And thanks for watching.